for the MakeCode arcade game of the week this week, this is the game Chomper from Miles Watson, and he posted it here on the MakeCode forums, forum.makecode.com. Oh yeah, there's a name right there. You can see Miles Watson. And so this is a Pac-Man clone done right inside of MakeCode. So if we jump over to the link in this, if you click this link right here, it says launch it in beta. This only works inside of the MakeCode beta version, not the release version right now, MakeCode Arcade. And so let's first of all give it a little play. So I'm going to launch this, and right inside the browser simulator, I'll hit A, and I don't think you're going to hear sound on this, but we've got some chomping sounds as we eat these little dots. And let's see what happens if I run into a ghost. I'm going to lose a life. And I can hit A to restart. And it's got multiple levels in it. So now we're ready to move on to the next level. And check this out. This is a larger scale scrolling board level. Oh, here comes another ghost. I like how the ghosts have teeth. That's terrifying. So, hey, here's another guy. So let's have a look. Okay, I don't want to die. Oh, I'm going to die. Let's have a look at how are these ghosts following around inside of the maze. Well, this is a bit of advanced work that Miles did. If we look in the code, I had to look around in here. All right, I'm going to have a hard time finding it in the blocks, but that's okay because where it exists is actually in JavaScript. So I'm going to click this icon up at the top over for JavaScript. And in here, I can actually just do a search for the word maze move. So you'll notice here this is a function while game is running, and it is checking for the ghost's existence, and then it's using this testing.mazeMove. So this is not a normal extension. This was actually built right inside of MakeCode. If I click on the categories here, there's one called testing, and there's a category called mazeMove. So when you're digging deep inside of a MakeCode game, you can click on the Explorer here, and you'll see all the different bits of code that make it up, including in this case, here's this custom.ts. And so if we look in here, let me close my little search window, and I can zoom this in a bit. Let me hide the simulator as well. This is the custom code that Miles wrote that is doing the maze, the math of the ghosts following the maze around. So if you want to look at the JavaScript that is this particular sort of upgrade to the engine, it is all right in here. So this is custom code that can be created, and then it'll present itself as either code you can use in JavaScript, or in this case it also shows up as blocks right under this testing, checking for the centers of tiles, and also using this maze move map. So I haven't explored it deeply. I haven't made my own game with it yet, but I'm looking forward to doing that because Miles has created a very cool functionality that allows the enemies to traverse this maze. So that is my MakeCode pick of the week, and it is called Chomper. So really nice work.